If your wish is to finally understand and speak English, you are in the right place. This is a very slow English story for beginners. In every episode, you will learn useful words, natural phrases, and real-life English you can use every day. Just relax, listen, and enjoy learning with us. Let's begin.
Hey, is anyone sitting here?
Nope, you're good.
Thanks. Wow, this view is unreal.
Yeah, not a bad way to start the day.
Definitely not. Do you come here often?
Yeah, it's kind of my go-to spot.
Go-to spot?
Yeah, the place I always end up coming back to. Good coffee, chill atmosphere. Can't really go wrong.
I like that. I need a go-to spot like that.
Give it a few days. You'll find yours.
I just got here this morning, so everything still feels new.
First time on the island?
Yeah, first time traveling alone this far, actually.
That's a big move.
It felt bigger when I was booking the ticket.
Yeah, reality hits different.
I almost didn't come. I tend to overthink everything.
That'll slow you down.
Exactly. I like having a plan for everything.
This might not be the best place for that.
Oh no?
Nah, this island works better if you just go with the flow.
Go with the flow.
Yeah, don't try to control every little thing. Just see where the day takes you.
That sounds nice. And slightly terrifying.
Usually the good stuff is
How long have you been here?
a while,
Like a few months?
pretty much 3 years.
Pretty much?
Yeah, basically. Came for 2 weeks and never really left.
Wow. So this really is your go-to spot.
Yeah, guess so.
I don't know if I could ever just stay somewhere like that.
You'd be surprised what you can do when you stop overthinking.
So your advice is find a go-to spot and go with the flow?
That's a solid start.
Okay, I'll try.
That's all you need.
I'm Maya, by the way.
Liam,
Nice to meet you.
you too. Welcome to the island. Hey, Maya, right?
Liam. Hi again.
Didn't expect to see you here this early.
Jet lag. My body still thinks it's a different time zone.
Yeah, that'll mess you up for a few days.
I woke up at 6 and couldn't fall back asleep, so coffee felt like a good idea.
Solid decision. This place makes mornings easier.
I'm starting to see that. It's slowly becoming my go-to spot.
Careful. That's how it starts. Next thing you know, you never leave.
Let's not go that far yet.
Fair. So, how's your first full day going?
Pretty good, actually. I walked along the beach, got lost for a bit, found a smoothie place. No complaints so far.
Sounds like you're doing it right.
I'm trying to go with the flow.
Look at you. Already in island mode.
I'm learning.
So, what are you up to later?
Later today?
Yeah,
Honestly, nothing planned. Why?
I was thinking we should grab a drink sometime. There's a really nice beach bar not far from here.
That sounds tempting.
Sunset there is kind of hard to beat.
You're making a strong case.
I try.
And you go there often?
Every now and then. Mostly when I want good music and a decent view.
Good music and a decent view. Yeah, that works for me.
No pressure, though. If you already have plans,
No, I don't.
okay, good.
So, what time?
Maybe around sunset? 7-ish?
Yeah, I'm in.
Perfect.
Look at me. Second day on the island, and I already have plans.
Told you. Best things here happen when you don't overplan.
I'm starting to believe that.
Good. I'll see you tonight then.
You will.
Hey, you found the place.
Yeah, took me a minute, but I made it.
Worth the walk though, right?
Definitely. This place is beautiful.
Yeah, I come here a lot. You look amazing, by the way.
Thank you. By the way, makes it sound casual.
Yeah, it just means I wanted to say it naturally.
I like that.
How was your day?
Good. I walked a lot, got coffee, explored. Just trying to relax.
Sounds like you're settling in.
Slowly. I still feel a little new here.
That'll pass.
I'm glad I came out tonight, though.
I'm not gonna lie. I was hoping you would.
I'm not gonna lie means you're being honest, right?
Exactly. Just a natural way to say, honestly.
Good. I'll use that. This looks really good.
Try it.
Oh, wow. Okay. That's actually amazing.
Told you.
I like this place. It's calm, but not boring.
Yeah. Sunset, music, good drinks. This is kind of my thing.
Kinda my thing means you really like it?
Yeah. It's exactly my type of place.
I get it. I think it might be my thing, too.
So, good decision coming out tonight?
Yeah, very good decision.
Same here.
I'm glad I came.
Me too.
Tomorrow, Maya will see Liam again, and something unexpected will happen between them. Do you think this is just a new friendship or the beginning of something more? Let me know in the comments and write one new English word from today that you will definitely use in real life. See you in the next episode.
See you guys!